Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and today I have a little crafty haul to share. And in fact, I've been naughty and spending a lot of money, so you'll see quite a few haul videos and unboxing videos in the weeks ahead. But this one literally just landed on my doorstep, and so I had to film this so that I can break into and use some of these things straight away. Tonic Studios not too long ago opened their vault, and if you're not familiar with the event, basically because they do have several different subscriptions and or monthly releases that are only available for sale or purchase during the month that they are released. You can't get them if you miss that window until and unless they have extra stock and they open up their vault, which is an event that they have where past any leftover stock from past monthly releases are now made available for sale. And generally so that in and of itself is kind of nice, because if you missed out on something the first go around, you might have an opportunity to pick it up. There's no actual guarantee, because if they sell out, they sell out. It's not like they actually reproduce or do another manufacturing run of those kits. But often there are some kits that may linger a little bit longer. And so generally what you'll notice is the older an item is, the more deeply discounted it is. And so it's a great opportunity to really pick up some fabulous bargains. And while I am a kit subscriber, monthly kit subscriber, every once in a while I'll skip a few kits because either I have something just a little bit too similar, or I just can't see myself putting it to good use, or sometimes I'm just not hit with an innovative way to use the kit components, and so I will often skip in those cases. But all of the kits are fabulous. They're fantastic value for money. And when the vault opens, that's where I always go first, because I like to kind of pick up, the kits that go on sale. And these are two. I'll do separate unboxing videos for the kits if you haven't seen them. But this is $43, and then I think this one was $49. And at the prices that these were being sold at, I mean, that doesn't even pay for like the Nuvo products that were in it. Not to mention the stamp and die set that come with. So I think one of these was the price I paid with my kits, my 10% kit subscriber discount. The price I paid was $13.50 for one of them and $18 for the other. So phenomenal value for money. I mean, I think the kit as it in and of itself at its regular price is great value for money, which is why I subscribe. But to pick it up at this price, even though I originally skipped it because these came out during the time when I was active as a subscriber, I figure, well, I can't even buy the Nuvo products and the cardstock for that price, so it's a great time to pick it up. So then I also, speaking of Nuvo products, did pick up a couple. Their aqua pens, so a lot of them are like super discounted. This was less than $5 for the set of 3. I have quite a few, but these are some colors that I don't have, so I was happy to pick that up. Crackle mousse I'm beginning to love a lot, especially since I feel like it has a whatever the formulation is that achieves that crackle effect. I feel like once you open the pot, it sort of it takes longer. I mean, I haven't had one dry out on me, I guess is what I'm trying to say, where embellishment mousses, I have had some pots dry out on me, and you can oftentimes bring it back to life with just some distilled water. Let it I just flake out what I need onto like a silicone mat and just let it sit in a little bit of distilled water and then smoosh it around a little to soften it back up. But But I find like I've never had to do that with crackle mousse, and I picked up this one. It's wrought iron. It's in black. So I kind of thought black is sort of nice. I have Russian white as well. So the two are really nice because then you can kind of blend them with other color mousses and other crackle mousses to get tints and shades of that color. So really versatile, I think, black and white always. So there's that. And then out of the vault, I also picked up a stamp club that I really just love the theme of this. This is a sewing themed one. Let me see what it's actually, does it have the actual name? I think it is called So Happy. And it's a stamp and die set. It comes like this, as you can see. You have the storage sheet. I mean, this is in another poly bag, but you have the magnet sheet and the sheet protector with the holes that you can put it into a binder. So there's the stamp and the coordinating or companion die set, because I think there's definitely dies that will cut out the images, but then there's way more above and beyond, just what will cut these out. And my mom used to work for a wedding dress. My mom was a seamstress who worked for a wedding dress designer. And this is way back in the day before, she changed careers. But so I often have fond memories of her teaching me to sew, and to this day I love sewing. So I get that from her. And then speaking of just binders, so I picked this up, which is the Designer's Choice A5 storage binder, and this is fantastic. It comes with the exact same sleeves, so I can pop these in straight away. And it's got the sheet protectors, it's got labels, and it also has the magnetic sheets as well. And these feel heavy. They feel really good quality. So really, really fantastic this. There was a sale just recently. They were selling 2 for just a fantastic price, and I was sort of wishy-washy on it, and then it sold out. I mean, you can still get the binder, but just that sale offer sold out. But I picked this up still at a fantastic price. It was $9 when normally they sell it for almost $30. Then I just had to get this. This is the cuckoo clock. I think this was a showcase. Also, look at all the dies, and it does come in, this is an A4 envelope with the little snap closure. It's on a magnetic sheet as well, and you can make these really fun cuckoo clocks, but I think you can make little birdhouses. You can just do the fronts. It doesn't necessarily have to be 3D. So I think all of this can be used for card making too. So really fun. I bet you could adapt it to be a gingerbread house. You could theme it that way. And I think you can, obviously use it as a little treat box, but you can also use it as maybe a home decor item too. I think that would be really fun as well. So I did pick that one up. It wasn't on super sale because this is one of the more recent ones, but I felt like I just had to have it. And then I treated myself to this. So this is the Tim Holtz media glass mat. And if you watch other crafters on YouTube, many people do have one of these. I never felt like I needed to get one, but mostly because it's so expensive, but I never see it on sale. And during the event, the vault sale, this went down to $13.50 when normally it retails for $40. So I thought this is going to be really fantastic. It's going to be a nice kind of clean surface. It's rather reflective, so I don't know that I'll be using it in my videos, but I think it's going to be great to just craft, at other parts of my house, or if I do travel to bring it along with me. It is rather heavy though, so I don't know that I would really necessarily travel with this. But I love that it does come in a case, and like I said, it was just like a little something nice to treat myself, especially since I never see it at this price. Then the last thing that I got, which I feel like is a fantastic deal, and another one of those things where, I might not have otherwise picked it up if it weren't for the fact that it was such a good deal, but it's this. So this is called the Rimini, I think, storage case. And the thing with this is that you can actually build your own storage unit. And so this was on super fantastic sale. I won't open up the packaging, but you can kind of see it's flat in the box because it does require assembly, but it's just plain, from what I understand, it's the plain kind of MDF pieces that have been cut. So all you have to do is just decorate and then glue it together. So I'll probably do a video of me doing just that. But this, again, fantastic, phenomenal price on this. I paid just over $8 when normally Tonic sells it for $40. So for $8, a fun DIY project for one, but two, a practical storage unit that's also pretty. So I think that's going to be awesome. And I might look into potentially decorating everything, but not assembling it, and then maybe gifting it to somebody who might like it. I think that could be an option as well. So I don't know which I'll do. I might keep it, because certainly I could use the storage, but I also think it would be fun to kind of decorate it and gift it. And to make it easy to ship, maybe just leaving it unassembled. So they would have to do like a bit of work, but at least it'll just ship a lot easier. So we'll see. I don't know. Or maybe I'll assemble it and ship it. Who knows? But that is what I picked up during the Tonic Studios Vault Sale. Like I mentioned, I'll have separate unboxing videos for each of these. Also coming up, on its way to me, I did purchase the big Spellbinders kit bundle. So I've got, I think, 7 kits coming my way. So when that comes, I'll definitely be doing unboxing videos for those as well. So I hope you had fun shopping the Vault Sale. If you did, if you didn't shop the sale and you want to be notified, I often post sales, especially the ones that I actually shop, because I get a lot of these emails that come through, but if it's not like a super good sale, like if it's only 10-15%, I don't always promote it. But when it's a really nice sale, and the Vault Sale, I feel like you can get some really like deep discounts, I'll often post it to my community page here on YouTube. So especially if you are a subscriber and you ring the bell for notifications, I think you'll get an alert whenever I post to my community page. As in your YouTube feed, you'll see those come up. So so if you're like me and you kind of like to shop sales, my community page is where I post all the really good offers that come my way. And so they'll do this sale a couple of times a year. So the next one I'll for sure we'll be posting an announcement as soon as I hear about it. I don't get inside information, but whenever I hear about it, I like to share. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Bye.